ari kuganiraho n'abebembezi ba district ya Kisoro mukuru w'abaramuzi mu ihanga his worship Dr. Flavian Zija yagira ngo ekitongore nikitunga sente zitarukumara omukutambuza emirimo y'ihanga nko kugira abakozi abarukumara okucwamuna no kutwara abaana abakozere emishango mu remand homes na no kucemanja mu bwire ekirugirireho mu ijurano gw'embohe mu ihanga.
Now, they still on remand for a long time. It's really not that we want to keep prisoners for a long time on remand. What happens is that for other cases, let's say at the magistrate's court level, the constitution does not require the state to give them a lawyer. Now, at High Court, every accused person must be given legal representation, meaning that we must get these private lawyers and assign them at the cost of the state. So what does that mean? It means that for us, in order for us to organize a session, for example, for the judge to have a session, we must first get money to pay the lawyers, but we also pay the witnesses.
Nagira ngo aha baramuziga na 55 barikwetengo mu ihanga bineho abaramuzi 88 ekyo rukutuma bacererwa kushare manja.
I remember when I was a circuit judge, sometimes they would bring children, you remand them, but also take them back to police because there is no transport to take them to the remand home. So it's an area that needs some wider discussion other than just demanding new remand homes. Actually, even the ones that are existing are actually problematically run.
Dr. Flavian yahamiza abatura ngo mbwire bwa juba nabaza kwiguraho Endijo Magistrate Court mu town ya Rubuguri.
Yes, I think the permanent secretary has explained what happened, that we were almost beginning, and then the land that had been given was smaller, and then they had to give us another piece of land where now the new contractor is grading. So we hope that the court will be finished soon.
Ayongere yashobora n'abaturage ahanshonga yo kucemanja zempunjo muri Kisoro ngo nibaza kuganirana n'ekitongore cy'empunji okureba ngo cyata mu Sente emanja bazicwa juba empunji zitakagarukiro wabo ninga zitakajiro mu nkambi.
Our decision then was that we should try them as fast as we can. So if they commit an offense, let's try them and then see whether, maybe I don't know whether there is a UNHCR office here, and if it is there, you can engage them because there are precedents. We used to have those sessions in Mbarara. They were financing them.
Attendance in court is very high, physically. What we have added now are virtual tools, including use of video conferencing facilities at the court. Court users can stop by here at the Chief Magistrate's Court to receive judgments while we deliver them from elsewhere.
Amakuru agagasha kwa keta tuzaridwe.